Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I want to show you how you can get paid per minute and earn $1,239 plus in passive income for free. It's going to be an easy way to earn money online. I think you're really going to enjoy this video. I'm going to give you step by step how to do this and how to come up with the ideas in order to be able to make the content to get paid per minute online. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. We are slowly building the channel and it's getting better and better each video that we keep putting out. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. I see you guys watching the videos and not hitting the subscribe button. If you want to see this channel grow and get better and better, you absolutely have to subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications each time I upload a video. I promise I won't be spamming your computer, your phone with notifications, but just make sure you hit that bell icon. If you want to know how I make a full-time income online, making a passive income, hit the first link in the description below. It's going to be my #1 recommendation for making money online, guys. So guys, getting right into this video, we are going to be using a site called Skillshare.com. Now, if you're not familiar with this site, it's going to be a site that teaches people how to do different things. You can do simple things such as cutting vegetables, how to cut a pineapple, up to how to, do accounting, videography. So it gets more in depth. It doesn't really matter what your skill level is. You just have to make sure that you are making content and uploading it onto this site. Now, guys, like I said before, you're going to be making a passive income free online. So when you come to the site, you are going to want to hit get started for free. And it's a really easy sign up. I actually signed up through my Facebook account right here. Or you can use your Gmail or continue with Apple. I'm assuming it's like your Apple ID or something like that. And you literally hit one of these buttons and it signs it up for you. Now, guys, I did some research on Google earlier this morning before I made this video, and I found out that there is a referral program, which you will get paid, I believe. Yes, so they have a referral program. So once you get yourself signed up, you can join and become an affiliate for Skillshare, and you can earn $7 in commission for each new customer that signs up for your premium membership or a free trial. Each affiliate creates a custom account through Impact Radius that tracks the referrals in real time. So once you get yourself signed up for Skillshare, you can actually join a referral program. Now, like I said, guys, you are going to be able to do this, be making this money online for free. And the way that I found is going to be easiest for you is to join up through a referral program. Once you join Skillshare for a referral program, here it is. You will actually be able to join with 2 months free instead of the 3-day premium for free. So you need to make sure that you find somebody with a referral program and use their link in order to get your first 2 months free instead of 7 days. Why do I suggest that you do that? I suggest that you sign up through this way because of how much you can make for free your first month. On average, first-time teachers earn between $200 their first month on Skillshare, with top teachers earning upwards of $3,000 in your first month. You must get a total of 30 premium watched minutes across your classes within a month in order to receive a payment for that month, though. So while you're doing this and you're trying to test the waters and figure out what your niche is going to be here on Skillshare and what you're best at teaching and making videos with, you are going to probably want to be doing this for free. So join through someone's referral program, like I said, and get your first 2 months for free using this. So you just click on this. You start free today with the 2 months of Skillshare Premium. Explore your creativity with these classes. In illustration, photography, design, and more. When they say more, they have so many other options for you to be uploading videos onto this site. So I was curious, how much are these people actually, making per year? And there are actually people who are making, like $100,000 a year with $10,000 a month times 12 months. That's $120,000 a year. All you need to do is upload videos onto this site called Skillshare. So get yourself signed up. And if you're probably asking me, like, look, I have no idea what I'm going to do for my videos. What is my skill? What's my niche? Where do I go? So, for instance, we're just going to hit on lifestyle. We're going to do like how to cook and see like what, because I love cooking. I love doing like slow cooker meals. I love grilling. And as you can see, these people are just uploading really simple things, cutting, learning how to cut anything, even batteries. So when I first started cooking, my mother had passed away when I was really young. So I didn't have someone to teach me. I didn't really even know how to mince up an onion. So I would go to sites like Skillshare and learn how to cut things. So I would be one of these 77 students. Now it's 28 minutes long with 77 students, and they're getting paid by the minute. One other thing that I want to draw your attention to with this site is not only can you access this and create and build content on your laptop, you can also use an app on your Android phone as well as your iPhone. You just need to go to your Play Stores or your App Store and just download it, get yourself signed in, so you can take the videos of you cutting or teaching how to make slow cooker meals, and just upload it, and you are going to get paid per minute. This lady literally has 3,207 students for a 39-minute video. She is making great money. She is probably one of the higher level teachers. Fun and easy watercolors, drawing cookies and pastries. There's 4,205 students for an almost hour-long video. This person is making crazy amounts of money on the site, just uploading videos of silly stuff about whatever skill they have. This skill just happens to be painting with watercolors. Not my niche at all. I'm not very creative. I can't even draw a stick figure to look like one. But they have found what they are good at, and they started uploading videos. Now, when you get better and better, you can do different things. Creative writing, film, video, fine art, graphic design, illustration, photography, web development. So when you are doing things on your computer and you want someone to actually be able to see your screen like I'm doing with this video, I actually use OBS Studio. So let's see if they have a video for that. How to use OBS Studio. Whoops, we need the O. So look, I learned how to use OBS by YouTube and Skillshare. I watched how to set up OBS so that it captures my screen by using these few things. Even if you don't know how OBS works at all, here's my suggestion on doing things that you don't actually know about. What you can do is you can go over to youtube.com. You can look at some of these videos, like this 8-minute video here, got 3.7 million views. So you're gonna wanna take a look at this and try and recreate this video using the same concepts, also while using OBS. And you are going to be able to just kind of mimic this video. Do not copy it, do not copyright it. Do not do that at all. That is not what I am suggesting. I'm telling you to mimic this video. Take notes and try and recreate it with your own spin on it, and then you can take it over here and upload it. This person has a 1 hour and 24-minute video with 757 students. So you can literally do this for anything. Recreate the videos, even if you're not super familiar with it. Look on YouTube. There are videos for everything on YouTube, and you can upload it to Skillshare. Now, if you want to kill two birds with one stone, you can recreate this video and also make a YouTube channel and upload it on here to make a little bit extra money on the side. It's super easy. It's super simple. Like I said, guys, there's so many different categories. You can do creative writing if that's your niche. I will tell you, a lot of people don't even have to show their face in these videos. So if that's something you're concerned about, I'm not a huge fan of showing my face online. It's cute, but I'm not really a fan of it. You can find your niche, freelance, entrepreneurship. These are going to be some of the things that you aren't going to have to show your face online for. You can literally just show your screen using OBS and do the screen capture program on OBS Studio. It's super quick. It's super easy, guys. Like I said, you can make anywhere between $200 and $3,000 your first month if you get a total premium of 30 premium minutes watched across your classes. I will tell you, content is king, so try and upload as many videos as possible while you are doing this, because the more that you get watched, the more watch hours, the more premium watch hours you're going to have, and the more money you're going to be making in the long run. Like I said, guys, build up your Skillshare. Make a YouTube channel too. Build that up and be able to kill two birds with one stone. And you can start earning $1,239 in passive income. Once these videos are up, they're done. You're done. You're not trading time for money using this method of making money online. Once they're there, they're there. People are going to watch them. You're going to get paid a year from now, 5 years from now. As long as the site is still kicking, you're going to be getting paid if people are watching your videos. Now, guys, I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Like I said, guys, subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell icon for future notifications for my videos. And like I said, guys, if you want to know how I'm making my full-time income, check out my #1 recommendation. It's going to be the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.